Hello, welcome back to my channel. Alinafe Edward here. Another day, another video, another plug. I'm going to plug you. You know, I'm selfless. Alinafe is so selfless. Okay, today's business. Let's get into it without wasting much of our time. You know, people of God, our dress here as people of God today. You know, you can actually learn new skills every day online, on YouTube, on Facebook. And then you can use the skills that you learn to start making extra income. Unemployment rate is too high for you to be just sitting at home watching Generations, watching Telemundo. The time that you are wasting watching soapies, those people, they are making money. You could really maximize that time doing things that will benefit you, things that will bring you a source of income. Why am I saying that? I was an addict. Let me tell you my story. You know me, I'm transparent. I'll tell you the things that I've done, the process that I've gone through. I'm not sharing you something that I haven't done. No. Before I acquired the skills that I'm going to share with you today, now in this video, I've done things. I was a TV addict. There was no episode that I was not watching on TV. Generations, Muvango, whatever it is. It was way back. I stopped. The minute I switched off my TV, that's when I started focusing on things that will bring me another source of income in my life, will expand my income streams. You understand? So I was part of it. I was in it. I was watching too much TV, Netflix. Those things are coming to kill our brain, you know what I mean. Believe you me, without lies, you and I, no, you, because me, I'm no longer there. You spend the whole freaking day watching Netflix series, don't you? Judas charged. I used to do that. I will watch series on Netflix the whole freaking day. Not only the whole freaking day, I will watch Netflix the whole week. If it's not Netflix, it's soapies. TV soapies. I was so addicted. Sometimes I will even ban food just because I want to watch that. There are people who like Nigerian movies. They spend time watching that. Okay, that time that we are wasting watching other people who have already made their money, don't you think you can use that time to learn something new that will bring you a source of income? Don't you think you can learn something and start practicing something that one day it will be yours forever? The good thing of learning a skill is that it's yours forever. So one day, I sat down with myself, like, Alina, let me sit you down. I took a chair, I sat myself down. I was like, what is your problem? Alinafe, what is your problem? You spend the whole week watching Netflix. If you're not watching Netflix, you are watching Nigerian movies. If you're not watching Nigerian movies, you are watching TV. Is this what you want to do in life? Watching other people making money. One thing that you have to do is to be honest with yourself. If you are lazy, tell yourself, I'm lazy and I have to do better. If you know there's something that you know that you have to work on, do that, because that thing is killing that potential in you. So I sat down with myself and had an honest, hard conversation with myself. Like, okay, what is it that you want out of this life? Is this the kind of life you want to live? No. Personally, I like money, but whose money is it going to be? My money. I have to spend my own money. I like spending on myself. I like dressing up, going out, just to look beautiful. Where is that money going to come from? From Netflix? I believe not. So after I came to that realization, I started evaluating my daily activities, what I'm doing during the day, what can I replace it with. I wrote down the things that I know I'm good at. I'm good at dressing up. That means I'm into fashion. What is it that I can do? What skills can I get to still be in there, to enjoy what I'm doing, to have passion, to wake up every day and to still want to do it the next day? I was like, I think it won't be a bad idea if I learn how to sew. Where will I start from? I went on YouTube. I did as much research as I could to learn how to sew. I gathered information on everything that I need to know about basic sewing. After that, I started looking for YouTube videos that teaches basics in sewing. I did not go on Facebook for schools that teaches how to sew, because I knew Nafe spent much time watching Telemundo. I did not have that money. I did not have that money because I was watching people who were busy making money. I was sitting, I was helping them make money by watching. So how are we going to do this? Where do I start from? I bought a basic sewing machine, a domestic basic sewing machine. If you're like me, who doesn't mind their own business, if you look far behind, no, it's just a joke. You mind your own business. This is for learning purposes. If you look far behind, there is white, pink, something there. That's my very first domestic machine that I bought when I realized that I've been killing my own potential by doing things that are not giving me any money, that are not upgrading my skills. When I started learning how to sew, I didn't have any prior knowledge about sewing. I know there are people who say that, no, you cannot learn sewing only by watching YouTube videos. I did. And today, I'm making money designing and sewing for people, for myself, and they love my work. Oh damn, I'm so damn good at what I do. That's how confident I am in what I choose to do, what I do. I started teaching myself how to use a domestic sewing machine. After I was done, I started buying the materials to practice. That way it's expensive, but at least you are teaching yourself something. 6 months down the line, you cannot be the same. You understand? So it is something that I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about dressing and dressing my body. You understand? You know your body better than I do. So according to me, I make something tailor-made for my body, and it makes me feel good. That's a skill number one that I learned when I realized that my life is passing by doing nothing. I learned how to sew. I took it upon myself to teach myself how to sew. After that, the passion grew, and then that's when I did a fashion designing course so that I should just know how to design and all that. I just didn't want to stop there. Nah. Today, 3 years down the line, I'm good. So, yeah. What is that one thing that you know you are good at? That you know that if you focus, you are determined enough, you can start making money out of that and stop watching all these things that we normally watch as women, especially. Because I was also in there. Believe you me, my TV is off. It has been off for the past 3 years. I only switch it on maybe when there are visitors, the regular things. Yeah, that's one thing that I learned. Sewing. I learned a skill, sewing. The second thing, I love sharing information, and I'm labeled that I talk too much. I don't know if I do, but the only too much talking that I do is to give you the information and to tell you the truth. So I took it upon myself to have a YouTube channel so that I can be doing all the talking here with the people who want to hear my voice. Yes, indeed, I am capitalizing on talking too much. I don't feel offended because I know one day I'll speak to the world and you are going to listen. This is just the beginning. As long as you have a Gmail, you can have a YouTube channel. And having a YouTube channel helped me to learn 5 other skills. Having a YouTube channel made me to know how to edit videos, to do graphic designing, because all the thumbnails, I do them myself. I create them myself. Video editing, graphic designing. Oh, another thing. Web development. I'm a web developer, a freelancer web developer. I learned it because of YouTube, because I just wanted a certain skill. Days are gone for me to be sitting down and watch a 5-hour movie or a 1-week series instead of me sitting down on YouTube or wherever I can get information and upgrade my skills. That time is gone. So, web development. I took it upon myself to also learn how to develop websites. So, your girl here is a freelancer web developer. If you want a website wherever you are in the world, I'm your girl. Hit me up. And I also have my own website that I solely developed myself. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can check it out as a sample. It's so simple, easy to use, mobile friendly. Yeah. Maybe you are also like me who likes talking too much. Who talk too much? Just create a YouTube channel. Just have a YouTube channel. As long as you have a Gmail, talk about anything. Whether you want to speak about food, you want to be cooking, you like gossiping, you can't be gossiping for free. Start making money gossiping. Open a YouTube channel and post the celeb gossips or your neighborhood gossip, church drama. I know in churches there is content. You can open a YouTube channel just for church drama. You understand? But as for me, I want to attract unnecessary cases because of church drama. Because believe you me, I have content for days. So stop gossiping for free. You open a YouTube channel, start gossiping there. Your fellow gossipers will join you. Get no hard feelings. It's just business. Nothing personal. Okay, after having a YouTube channel where you can create any kind of whatever you want to create and whatever, guys, there are a lot of things that you can do with your time other than just sitting and doing things that does not benefit you, because like there are also so many courses that you can do online for free that will help you to start making an extra income. In my previous videos, I mentioned about teaching English online. It's not that difficult. You do not need any certification for that. But for those who want a certificate, I also have a video where I explained where you can get a free TEFL certificate for you to be able, maybe if you want to go to overseas and whatever, you can teach English online. As long as you are able to speak fluent English, you are also able to teach it to someone. Use that. You understand? There are people who are good in French. It's not only English. There are different languages that you can teach online. People around the world, they are looking for someone who can teach them something. Why can't you do that? There are a lot of companies that are employing online, Plably, Cambly, italki, Tutor ABC, Dada, and all whatever have you. You can teach online. Start something that you know that you are going to be passionate about. If you like like teaching children, you can also do that. Apart from that, you can transcribe. It's that simple. Every information that I'm telling you now, you can get it on YouTube, because everything I know now, I got it on YouTube. So now we are on number 4. You can transcribe. What is transcribing? Transcribing is converting like interviews, TV, soapies, the actual series that you watch. You know, there's always subtitles and whatever. There is someone who does that job. They actually take the headsets, they listen whatever is being spoken. When you listen to it, you write it down. There are so many softwares that you can use to write down. So writing down of it is called transcribing, because now you are transferring from maybe videos or audios to words. So it's actually words. So after you've done that, you get paid for it. There are so many companies that employ transcribers. So transcription, you can make it one of your career. If you want to start a career in that, you can do that. Actually, just buy your own headset, just have internet connection, just have great command of English, your punctuations and whatever has to be on point. And if you want to learn how to do it and to get better at what you do, practice. You can do that. You just have to have confidence that I can do this, I have got this, I can do this. So you can do transcription as well as a side hustle. It can bring you money as well. So there are also companies that employ, and if you would like to know the in-depth of that, please, I've mentioned sewing. You can start sewing. That will bring you money. If you would like to know how to sew, I can always create content for you, the basic stuff that you need for sewing. I'm selfless like that, and you know it. I know it, the word. So I can make content for that. Comment in the description box below whatever you would like me to share with you, because I can only share the things that I know, that I've done and I've gone through the process, because I do not want to share something I haven't done before, because I might be giving you wrong information. About sewing, if you want to know, in the description below. If you want to know how to start a YouTube channel, the things to write, I'm your mentor. I can coach you that, okay, the way you are, it looks like you like gossip. Why can't you just be gossiping publicly? It's easy, free. Stop gossiping for free. You can start making money gossiping on YouTube. You like cooking, you can create content for cooking. You like dressing up, you like whatever, you can do whatever you like. Apart from that, the graphic designing, you can do freelancing jobs on Fiverr and whatever. You don't need a job for that. You can just check around what the companies, online companies that are hiring you. Teaching English online, it's just online. The word says teaching English online. So you can also do that. And if you also like an in-depth detailed video about that, let me know in the description box below. I will gladly create the content. As selfless I am, I will. And about transcription as well, I will also do that for you. So what's number 5? I think we should stop there. I've talked too much. Okay, that's everything I had for you today. If you liked my video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Liking, it shows that you want more of this content. And freely have I shared with you, freely share with your family and friends, because they also need to know. You may just plug someone who needed a savior, and you can be that savior. You understand? So yes, let's stop sitting on our potential. Okay, and start making use of it to generate income this year. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Until next time, thank you. Bye.